Hello friends, welcome to Vibha's videos. Today I'll show you a nice mithai that we make at home. We Sindhis eat generally with curry chawal on Sundays, but then it's up to you. You can make for Diwali as well. So let's get going, starting with Monthal. This is the final Monthal, how it will be looking afterwards, once it's ready. For this we need some basic ingredients, sugar, besan, ghee, which are at home. Let's start. We'll make the sugar syrup first. For this we need 2 cups of sugar and about 1 cup of water. We have to boil this and make 1 tar chashni. We'll keep the sugar and water to boil. In the meantime, we will be taking, while this is boiling, let's take our besan. We have 2 cups of besan here, in which we have to take totally 1 cup of ghee, but we will be mixing only 1/4 of the ghee in this besan. We can mix it with the hand and let it mix nicely, the besan with the ghee. We have to mix this separately in a pot. And then to this, I will be adding about 1 cup of milk. Totally 1 cup of milk. Gradually and slowly we'll be mixing this. We'll make this mixture with the hands. It is not a dough, it is a flowy batter. Like something like an idli batter. That's how it's going to be. So let's mix this, friends. And keep this aside for about 15 minutes. As you can see, friends, I am breaking out all the lumps in the besan first. And then I am adding all the milk, and you can see the consistency now. It has become little thin. It's like idli, slightly thicker than the idli batter. And then you have to keep this aside for about 15 minutes to rest. Our chashni is boiling in the meantime, and we will check if it is 1 tar or no. 1 tar means 1 string. So let's see, friends, if it is done. I don't think it is ready as yet, because as you can see, when we pull it in the between of the thumb and the first finger, it doesn't make a tar. So we have to wait and let it boil some more so that we reach the right consistency. Yeah, there it's ready, see. And then only we will get our chakki of Monthal, otherwise we will not. Our besan has rested. Now we will put the remaining 3/4 cup of ghee. We will heat it up in a pan and put elaichi powder. This is about 1 teaspoon elaichi powder. You can put more also if you like the flavor of elaichi too much. And then we are going to pour our batter, our besan batter into this and roast it in hot ghee. So this process is the longest process of this mithai. So you don't need to worry about that. On very slow fire you have to go on bunoing the besan. It will maybe become like a lump, but later on it will become separate. So don't worry about that. Because there is milk in it, there is liquid, so it is going to take some time. As you can see, friends, after about 15 minutes on slow fire, the moisture has evaporated from the besan. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon of suji. This is for the dardara effect in the Monthal. So we are going to buno the suji as well with the besan. Do not leave the besan and suji here for a minute also. It is on slow fire and you need to continuously keep stirring it. Otherwise it will get burnt from down. Till we reach the brownish color that we require for the Monthal, you need to keep turning it. As you can see friends, we have almost reached the brownish color that we desire for the Mohanthal, because it becomes dark after adding sugar syrup as well. So we don't need to make it to a burnt texture. I can get the lovely smell of the ghee. So this is the right brown color that we require. And now slowly we will be adding our sugar syrup. We can close the gas and our sugar syrup is ready as well. We are going to add it in this. It has thickened slightly, but don't worry, that is what will help you to make the Mohanthal chakki. And if you are very particular that you want a proper cake, proper slice, then you need to use the dalda ghee instead of pure ghee. I've put it in a dish and I'm decorating it with some almonds and pistachios. It's a general belief that Mohanthal is a very difficult mithai to make, but it's not so. I've shown you, I think, a very easy method, and I think you all will be able to make it at home. Do like, subscribe, share and comment. I need to know your feedback. Hope you like the recipe. Happy Diwali to all of you.